Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some Valentine's Day nails. I know it's like on the day, but I thought I would quickly get this one out to you guys. And I'm currently swatching the Madame Glam Ho 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 collection that I got a while back. And there's just a bunch of good gel polishes that I have from Madame Glam that I have yet to kind of show you guys. And this one is an amazing holographic kind of line, and I just thought this was really nice that they came up with this. I feel like the packaging on this is really nice as well, and of course if you've used Madame Glam gel polishes before, you know how good their quality is. It's really good, really pigmented. You know, the consistency is great, not too thick, not too thin. It feels very premium. So thank you Madame Glam for sending me this. Sorry it's been a while, but I'm finally getting a chance to show it. So this next collection is called Windy Layover, and this one I couldn't find. I had like a dark navy blue shade as well, which I can't find, but it's basically just a normal dark navy blue, and I really like this kind of burgundy shade in the middle. I thought that was really nice. So these are the shades, and I'm also curing that with my Maca mini lamp that I got from my Femi beauty kit, so I will link that video down below. This next collection is called Wandering New York, and this one is my favorite collection out of all of them. This one is like a cat eye collection, but I love them more on their own, especially this purple shade. It's really nice. It looks so much nicer in real life, so the camera is not doing it justice, but just some really nice colors in here. And this green, I don't know, I just felt like it was giving me Christmas vibes, and this blue of course was really nice as well. Now these gel polishes, I'm not sure what part of what collection they were part of, but these were ones that Madame Glam had sent me, and I really like this one. It's like a weird almost glittery kind of shade, I guess. It's just like got like this pink jelly with some black white pieces. Then this brand called LUV JAZURY or Jazury, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, sent me this color changing gel polish, which works really well, and I used it for this video. So as you can see, it goes to like a clear, I guess, and then it changes back to a pink. It happens really quickly, which I like. So getting straight into the video, I'm pushing back my cuticles. I do have a little bit of base coat on my nails, but we're just gonna ignore that. I've been doing my nails a few times recently, so I don't have much cuticle to push back, so you can skip the step if it's the same with you and you just don't have a lot of cuticle there, or you just have been doing your nails a lot. Then you can skip this step, but try to at least remove the shine off your natural nail. And I am going in with my really gentle diamond ball bit with my Maca JD700 e-file, which is amazing by the way. So the point of this is to gently remove any of that dead skin on my nail plate, but because I have a layer of base coat, I kind of have a bit of base coat there that I want to get rid of, so that's why I'm doing that. But otherwise I didn't really need to do this step. Then I'm quickly removing any of that excess skin if I have any. And then I'm going in with a base coat. This is the Madame Glam gel base coat, and I really love this base coat because it has kind of like a nice thick consistency, so I feel like it really protects your nails. And yeah, I just really like Madame Glam's products. If you've used them, let me know down in the comments below what you think. Personally, I really like them, and I would really encourage you guys to try them out if you haven't already. They are a bit more on the expensive side, but it's really good quality, and in my opinion, it's definitely worth it. So moving on to tips, these are some tips I got from Amazon. We'll link them down below. And I'm just sizing up my nail tips. These are coffin shaped. I need to get myself some square tips just because I've really been loving like the square look recently. But what I basically do is I use base coat to apply my tips just because it's much easier to remove them later, especially during a soak off. So what I do is put some base at the tip and stick my nail on top and then put that under the light. And then I go in with another layer of base just to kind of seal everything in. I don't like that little gap where the tip meets the nail, so applying base kind of smooths over that a little bit. And of course it preps the nail for the polygel that we're going to apply, and then cure that for 60 seconds. So I'm using the Rosalind Nude Pink Polygel. I got this from their polygel kit which they sent me, and I will link the video to that down below. And it's basically a review of their polygel kit, which was pretty good actually. I've had like a pretty bad experience with Rosalind's polygel before, but it seems like maybe they've changed their formula or they've changed something, because now their polygel is much easier to work with and not as sticky. And today I'm using my 70% alcohol for my slip. I usually like to use my base, but today I just felt like changing it up a bit. And I've noticed that when using my slip, my application was surprisingly smoother. I don't know why, so I've kind of just been loving to use my slip, so I think I will be using this more often now. So when applying your polygel, you basically want to keep your application as neat as possible. I find that this helps with filing and reducing your overall time for doing your nails. So the way you want to apply your polygel is basically kind of roughly in the outline that you're going to apply it to your nails. So keep the thickest part towards the apex and get thinner as you drag down. And I find that when you pat your polygel down, everything just goes exactly where it's supposed to, and you don't have to focus on maybe adding more polygel after your first cure, or having to remove excess polygel. I find that by doing this, you can just pat the polygel around and it will go exactly where you need it to. Of course, remember to clean up the edges of the nail, otherwise you will get like a weird kind of lumpy shape. So focus on keeping the edges nice and clean and straight, and that will help you reduce your filing time as well. So after I cured all the other fingers, I realized that I got this kind of white kind of layer forming on my other nails. I wasn't sure what this was, and it's never happened to me before. So I don't know if it's just a problem with this particular polygel, but let me know down in the comments if you know why that's happened. Maybe I'm using too much like rubbing alcohol or something, I'm not sure. But this has never happened to me before, and I thought it was super strange. So if you know, please let me know. Otherwise, it will disappear later. I'm just gonna clean the nails and then I will file them, and it kind of disappears a bit. But you know, it was really weird that this happened, and I feel like you could have still seen it a little bit at the end when the nails are done. So I'm sorry. once the nails are finally done, now that the nails are nice and shaped and buffed, as you can see, the white stuff is still kind of there, but you know, it disappears almost completely with the top coat that I'm adding. This is the Madame Glam No Wipe top coat. A really amazing top coat, really nice thick consistency, and it's just really nice and shiny. This is one of my more like high-end favorite top coats, and I'm just applying a nice layer of this just because I want to do of course the gel polish design, and I prefer to have like a nice smooth base, so the top coat really helps with that. If you encounter this problem where your polygel, you know, has like these white weird stuff on there, when you apply your top coat, just make sure you're kind of really scrubbing it into the nail, kind of wiggling your brush back and forth a bit, and it helps to kind of get it in all those little I don't know what it does, but I feel like doing that kind of helped, and it just got rid of them a bit more. So just curing that now for 60 seconds, and these are what the nails look like so far. Honestly, such a pretty color from Rosalind, really like the shade. And these are the shades that I'm using today. And I also put down a little discount code on the screen for the Madame Glam Academy. You can check out their website, which I will link down below, if you want to have any like classes on how to do gel polish designs. You can also do some private classes, which I thought was really cool, and if you want to save some money off that, you can use my discount code, which has now disappeared, but I will put it in the description box down below as a link and as the code itself. So for this design, of course, using my favorite Madame Glam striping brushes, I'm creating, I wasn't sure if I wanted to create like a rounded French tip or a sharp kind of triangular shaped nail tip. So yeah, that's gonna change later, but so far I'm going with the round shape, and I'm just filling that in with the gel polish. And this was fairly easy to do, nothing too tricky. As you can see, I changed the shape up a bit with my brush. I just used a little cleanup brush and made the shape kind of triangular, I guess. I don't know what the shape is called, like a stiletto nail bed, I guess. And then I added that really cute color changing gel polish as like a heart in the middle, which changed really quick. Like I was surprised how quick it changed, and I really like that about color changing products. I love it when they change quickly and you don't have to wait too long, and it also changes back fairly quickly as well, which is really nice. So here on this nail I thought of doing some black hearts, and later you'll see me filling them in with a pink shade because I didn't like how simple this nail was. So I'm just doing some simple hearts, nothing too crazy. I'm using the Madame Glam long fine liner brush, one of my favorite brushes from Madame Glam. So good for the small details and the like line work, I guess. And for this nail I wanted to do like an inverted kind of, I don't know what you would call this. It's like an inverted type of heart design. I'm not sure what I'm saying, but you'll see what I mean. And I'm just filling that in with the brush just because it's quicker this way. I don't want to like have to use my small brush to just fill it in, and then just fixing up the line, make sure it's nice and neat. And then again going in with that color changing polygel from LUV JAZURY, and then doing like an inverted heart on the color. So I thought this was really cool. I saw this everywhere on Instagram, and it's where I got my inspo from. I don't want to tag one person because I'm not sure, you know, I saw this everywhere, so I'm not sure who to tag. I didn't see it from one specific person, so I'm just not going to tag anyone. But just so you know, I was inspired by Instagram for that kind of design. And then for the ring, repeating what I did on my thumb. And these gel polishes are really good. Like the Madame Glam black gel polish is by far one of the best I've used. It's really opaque, and it doesn't do that weird wrinkly thing in the lamp where if you add too much it wrinkles. Like it just doesn't do that, and it's just, I don't know what their formula is, but it's really cool and it's really nice to work with.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run.
So I don't know if you've noticed, but the color on the heart nails already started to change, which I thought was really cool. And I hadn't cured it yet at this point. So for the pinky, which is probably one of my second favorite, I'm probably doing a ombre, I guess. I tried to do like an ombre, which I didn't think would work, but it did. It surprisingly looked okay, I think. So that's basically what I did. Pretty simple nail. Now just applying the top coat and leaving that uncured because I'm gonna add some nice crystals on here just to kind of make these nails look a bit more extra. And just doing some simple cuticle crystals mostly. These are a mix of crystals from Macart and AliExpress. I will try my best to link the AliExpress colored ones down below. Usually they just disappear because the store has closed, or I don't know. Sometimes I can't find it, but I will try my best. And just finishing off with some cuticle oil, of course, and massage that in really well. And this is what the finished nails look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you think of these nails down below, and I hope you have an amazing Valentine's Day today. And thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.